Good morning, everyone. This is Kathy from Artemisa Auto Air. Today we have a 2017 Mustang GT350R. The customer brought it by today in preparation for a track day. Here's a little peek of the interior. Got his helmet back there ready to go. He wanted us to do his front brake pads. We already took out the tire. We just haven't started this side yet. Here's the tire. Track ready. Here's the car. Here we have the guys changing the pads already. They had to take off the Brembo calipers in order to change the front pads.
Mañana es día del enamorado. Te puse flaca, había que arreglar el puse.
There you go. Here are certified technicians.
YouTube certified.
YouTube certified.
Que acaso nunca pierde.
Ah, sí.
Tiene que salir en video.
Ese nunca pierde.
En el video tiene que salir.
He's tightening the bolts.
¿Quieres que le dé, guacho?
I'm loosening the bolts.
¿Quieres que le dé?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Dice que nosotros estamos apretando los tornillos. ¿Estamos apretando o estamos soltando?
They think they're funny. So that's it for today. Anything changes, we'll be posting up next a new Mercedes. Don't pay attention to them, they think they're funny. But this is our family, so. Okay, so goodbye guys, and I'll see you all soon.